All right, with two commands, you have something to show, and this is just really a recap of this entire page, building the first resource. Our resource is recipes in two commands, and if you want to count Flask new as a command, then in three commands, you have shown all the recipes by your index page, and then you can click into a recipe and you can see an individual recipe right now. So you have the show page. So two commands built you out models. We have controllers and we reference those models in those controllers. We have routes that Flask-Commands connected to the controllers. The controllers through Flask-Commands were connected to the views. The views got built out for you, and the app is starting to feel like it actually has some kind of structure. And believe it or not, that is a big step to web design, or web development, if you want. The next topic that we're gonna take is a little bit of detour, and then I'm going to circle back. So we're going to talk about the difference between get and post. And if you've been playing around with these RESTful actions, you'll actually notice that sometimes you get a template and sometimes you don't. And the question is, why am I getting a template in some cases, and why am I not getting a template in other cases? And if you go to our routes file and you look here, let's just put this up, bring this back, go to the routes for the recipes that we've made, you'll notice the methods have always been get. And so we're going to talk about what this post, this other method is, and show you in Flask-Commands how Flask-Commands handles that post. So we see you in the next video.